Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning about how to make our projects more interesting. Now, I know that you all might be getting a little used to all the sprites and all the backdrops that are provided by Scratch. And some of you might be questioning, can we add some more different things? The answer to that question is yes. Today I will be showing you how we can add some external pictures as our sprites and our backdrops. So I want you to follow super closely because this is easy. Now, what we usually do is we click on this button at the bottom right to actually add the backdrop and this one to actually add the sprite. Today we will not be clicking the button directly, we will just be hovering over it. And once we do that, you'll see these options pop up right here. So you want to click on the fourth option, the one on the very top that says upload backdrop right now. And I have actually saved some really cool images from Google um, beforehand. So I'll just like quickly select those. I'm gonna hit the upload backdrop button and that will open up a pop-up for me where I can just like click on the image that I've downloaded. So let me do that real quickly and I will select the image that I did download. All right, so I have added the sky backdrop. You can see an important thing come up on the top. So here's my backdrop. Can you see it? Now, one thing that you might notice is that the backdrop is kind of not covering up the entire screen, so you can actually see it right here. So what we could do in this case is you can use the selection tool right here. Try to select the backdrop. Voila. And you can just try increasing the size like that. Okay. All right then. So can you guys see how I have increased the size of my downloaded picture to make sure that it kind of covers the entire screen? You can go back and delete the other costumes of the backdrop if you don't really need them. So I'm just going to delete both of these. All right. So I have my sky backdrop. You could also change the name of it from right here. I'm just going to type in sky. Now that becomes a little easier so that you can just go back to the code and whenever you want to code for the backdrop, you can select the sky backdrop. Similarly, guys, we are going to be adding an external file for the sprite. Again, you hover over the button, go with the fourth option, that is upload sprite. This pop-up box would open up for you one more time. Okay, now you just want to search up for your file. I think it's on my downloads folder. I got it and ta-da! Here's the image that I downloaded from Google. Now this is a PNG image. So what do I mean by a PNG image? These are pictures where you don't really have a background, okay? So it is the picture of the bird just here, right? So I have that. Now, as you can see, the bird is a little too big. So I would probably make it half. So the picture of the bird right here is a little too big. So what I'm gonna do is I'll probably make it half or maybe lesser than half its size. Here you can see that it's 100%, that is its original size. Let me go with a 25%. And ta-da! Do you see the bird right here? I'll probably position it here. So this is how you can just go on to Google, get your images for the backdrop and the sprite, and add it according to your project, according to your liking.